What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are gonna do a super fast install of this rear tire hugger because I have to get packed and ready to go to Vegas in a couple hours. So this is the Linea Moto rear tire hugger, matte carbon. Typically I get gloss carbon, but you know what, I got a good deal on this, so I was like, let's just do something different. Shout outs to Italy. That's gonna be swapping out this baby right here. So let's go ahead and get this all set up and put on. It should be pretty straightforward. Carefully set that down. Okay. So it looks like it's just a bolt right here. 1, 2, and then one more right there. So again, actually no, this one right here on the outside. It should be pretty straightforward. There's nothing to really do. The only thing just to be mindful of is this wire down here. I believe this is your ABS sensor. This, as of right now, is zip tied. Nice job, Ducati. It's zip tied to this part right here. So it's got a little cutout, and when you take it away, the cool thing, I thought I had to drill into this, which I'm so glad I don't have to, but they actually make a little spot for it right there. So you should just be able to route it, I guess, behind, and then it should be able to come out right there. But we'll see. I hope it all fits up, because I don't want to have to cut into carbon fiber or drill into it or do anything like that. So let's start pulling these bolts and screws out of there. This one's a little snug, but if you grab your cheap Husky toolkit or Craftsman, it should work. Okay, so now we got that hugger off. I'm just gonna kind of wipe it down a little bit, just kind of clean up some of the extra just dust and dirt and stuff on there, just to make it all look good. And this one's basically clean as well. And then again, we got this one right there. So now we'll do a little test fit. You can't reuse the same bolts because I wanted to actually just use these ones all over again, because I'd rather just keep them black versus going into the silver that came with the kit. But they have that plastic collar around them, or they have that metal collar around them, and the new ones just have a solid hole. Okay, so as with most carbon fiber, you have to just kind of understand that it's not going to fit perfectly. I don't know if it's in the molding process or if it's in the drying process, but carbon fiber rarely fits perfectly out the box. So with that being said, these 3 bolts, so 1, 2, and then 3 around this side, none of them are actually tightened down, right? So they're all just kind of getting there for a position. And if you look at this last one down here, see if I can get you guys in there to see it. So this one is way off, all right? So we gotta get this to basically go all the way over there. So you can see how far it sits right now versus where it has to go. So I kept everything loose for that reason, because you don't want to have everything torqued and tightened down and you start trying to move and bend that last piece. So you just keep everything probably about 30% tight, and then once everything is fit and lined up, then you tighten everything down. Okay, and there's the finished product. So we got the fitment to line up. It took a little persuasion, but everything was torqued down, and I just kind of did it hand tight. I didn't want to go any tighter than that. That Loctite should do the rest. But yeah, I didn't know how we were gonna get it to fit. We just had to finagle it a little bit, but everything looks great.